Hello dear children. Today let us learn how to make a poster on the theme Avoid Drunken Driving. On to the pattern to follow. Write the name of the issuing institution or the theme of the poster. Then write the main theme, concentrate on the main theme and make the poster. Draw a picture relevant to the context. On to the question here. You are the president of the youth club of your locality. Recently, you have witnessed many accidents due to drunken driving. Many youngsters have lost their lives or are seriously injured due to the menace. Design a poster to create awareness among the people about the dangers of drunken driving. Include the following: the title of the poster, the purpose of the poster, and other details. Generally, when we make poster, we are asked to make a poster on an awareness program or any other program or any institution. But here we are bringing an awareness through the poster. So here we follow a different format, wherein we put the title, whatever is the main theme, we put it as a title. So the title here is Avoid Drunken Driving. Then we give some quotations to support our theme in order to justify why it is wrong to have a drunken driving. So here are some quotes which support our theme. Firstly, many accidents occur due to drunken driving. It not only affects the drunken driver, even innocent people around are affected. Avoid drunken driving, avoid accidents. Your life is precious for your family and the country. Go home safe, your family is waiting. So with this we bring an awareness how dangerous, how much harmful drunken driving is. And then we give a quotation. Generally we go for slogans which have rhyming words at the end of that particular line. So I have made a quotation here. Follow traffic rules, avoid accident blues. Blues means worries. Traffic rules because drunken driving is against traffic rules. So if you want to follow traffic rules, you ought to avoid drunken driving. And look children, you can make a picture to the corner in order to support our theme. That is something with regard to the context here. Since it is drunken driving and avoid drunken driving, we can make a picture to support our theme. Hope you all understood how to make a poster in order to bring awareness through the poster. So you are to develop the talent of making slogans for yourselves, and then be creative in making slogans. Do not copy or do not mug up what others had done. Try to come up with your own slogans creatively. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a great day.